Okay, so I'm back for round 2 for the eagle owl tree carving at my buddy's house. And you guys, again, if you didn't see video 1, I talk about safety, guys. Chainsaw carving, steel toe boots, chainsaw chops or pants, ear protection, and gloves, and eye protection too. I wear glasses, so I just use those as eye protection. So I got my wood spirit. Drew in here. You can see it. His nose here, his eyes, his mustache comes, his beard, mustache comes down here, and his beard's gonna come all down here too. So yeah, I don't know. I'll just get carving. It's like 9:30 in the morning here, and I just don't feel like talking. Okay. Oh yeah, I just want to say, I also brought today my little 193. Instead of buying a carving bar, guys, you can buy these pruning bars from Still, and they're a lot cheaper than the carving bars. And I'd call this like a, I don't know, loony tip. So there you go. That's what I'm going to cut the wood spirit out with, and drink my coffee. Evil Rick, Starbucks today. Sometimes you got to treat yourself good. Hey guys, I'm just speeding up this video of me carving the wood spirit. If you want to learn how to carve a wood spirit the way I do, you can find a step-by-step tutorial how to carve a wood spirit in my playlists. So be safe, guys. That's the most important thing with a chainsaw. Be safe. Okay guys, so that was about I don't know, 20 minutes carving, blocking out this wood spirit in here, in this chest. So like, I'm still doing block out stuff, guys, so I'm not into the detail yet. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to block this tree out. I'm not going to film it. It's going to be like kind of like I'm going to try and make it like a tree of life thing. You know, so it's going to be a big like shrub up top here, and a big trunk. Trunk's going to be huge on this, so we can still carve his parents at the heart with his parents' initials in here. So I'm going to carve that, and then I'll be back. Yeah, just like do it for 5 minutes, or if you got 5 minutes. Yep. Whatever. Hey guys, when you're carving the mushrooms or trees like this, you know, just like try and not make them look like penis head trees or mushrooms. Okay, so I got the wood spirit blocked out. I got the tree blocked out. This tree is going to be like blowing in the wind this way, you know what I mean? So all these branches up here are going to be like gusting, whoosh, a gusting windstorm, you know what I mean? And I'm going to make this trunk thinner up here. I don't want to make it too thin because it's an outside piece. But I want to curve this so it looks like it's bent over, kind of like my Christmas trees, or the Christmas trees that we do. Having a good day today, Ty?
Great day.
Fucking right.
I'm off. See you in a bit.
Okay, man.
Hey, your coffee, cream, everything's in the good garage.
Okay, thank you for the coffee. Okay, so I call it on point. The only thing with this piece here, I don't want it to look like a mushroom. You know what I mean? So, and I got to leave room for us to carve the his parents' heart and initials in there too, like scratched them with a pen. And I'll paint those, and I'll sand it so they pop out. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is take more of this tree off here, make it look more rounder. Okay, so Stu stopped by to say hi. Hey, Stu.
Hello.
And Gemma stopped by. Just he was in town. Hey, Gemma, come here, little Gemma. Okay, so anyways, with this carving here, I got the tree blocked out. I got the heart carved in. You guys, you know, for the real beginning carvers, you don't need expensive Dremels to carve. Look at this. This is a Dremel 100 with my Kutzall bits, guys. Go to the link below. Kutzall, taking the Kutzall site, use code CFusion to save yourself 5%. Okay, so you look, it's just a little Dremel 100. I carved this heart out with here. All this out. I hit this with the chainsaw first, then hit it with this. I still got to do more detailing on the tree, so it's blowing over kind of. And so I'll wait till Tyler gets here to put the initials in the heart. I'm still blocking out, guys. I got the wood spirit blocked out. I don't know if I already said that. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sit down and just put my mask on, my dust mask, and carve his face in now. And also, guys, I did end up putting a slit. This slit goes about up to here in the eagle, so it will take care of this center wood, and it will take care of the center wood for this eagle too, like the heart. So I'm not too sure. So it goes all the way down. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna fill this like a little bit with some glue and some of the sawdust, or if I should leave it open for a year so the wood can expand. So the people that don't know, this is so the wood doesn't crack, and it gives the wood, once the wood dries, right, and it has no room, that's when it starts cracking. So I just kind of, this is what lots of carvers do. So I don't know if I should wait till next year to fill this like that much, or do it this year before I put the oil coat on it. So if anybody has any suggestions on that, no. This owl, I'm not going to cut the slit in there though. If it cracks, it cracks. Okay. Guys, I know I did say that I was using this whole, for all the detail today, I was using the Dremel 100 because that's all what I had. But tomorrow I'm going to bring my Dremel 4000 or Dremel 4300 so I can, you know, carve the detail a lot quicker, right? Because, you know, this plum wood is hardwood, I believe it is, yeah. But it's soft because it's wet wood, so. But, yeah, tomorrow I'm going to bring my 4300 so I can do the, I'm not going to use the flex shaft. Just use it from the Dremel so I can do the detail a lot quicker. And here I am drawing in the eyeballs. You know, when you do the eyeballs, guys, when you carve them, try and make them round inside there. You know what I mean? The rounder they are, the more the real they look. And you guys, when you're doing fine detail like this, you know, you're not sitting at your carving table or whatever. Put your dust mask on, guys. You know, it might save you some years of your life. You know what I mean? Okay, so now I'm starting to carve some detail here. Stu was filming when I, good job, Stu. Good job filming. Thanks. You guys, look again. All I'm using to do the detail is this Dremel 100. So don't feel like you have to go spend all your money on an expensive tools when you're first starting anyways. So I got that face carved in there. And I'd say this is on point. What am I going to do next? Oh yeah, now I'm going to cut in all his beard hairs. Okay, with my, I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm using my other 193. Oh yeah, I already told you. It's got this real thin chain on it. I believe this is a Pico chain. This is my 193. So I'm going to cut all the beard hairs in. Coming down this way. Whoa. I like that spirit, looks good, man. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to put pupils in it, just kind of leave the eyes just the way they are. Good, yeah. Give it a kind of like a old, goes along with the eagle pretty good. Okay. Hey Rick, do you ever get, Evil Rick, you ever get ladybugs on your coffee cup? Ladybug, Mom, it's a ladybug. Fly away, little ladybug. Okay, so I got all the beard hairs cut in here. Okay. As I say, guys, on point, on point. Now what I'm going to do is just put my mask on and quickly use this sander that I use. This one's kind of beat up and thrashed, just like my little ones that I use for my D-wall, guys. This is a thicker belt sander, and I'm just going to hit the hairs and clean it up first. Clean it up, okay? Yeah, bye. We'll say, okay, so I got basically the trees finished. I got it burnt and sanded. I'll do some more touch-ups. I'll do some more touch-ups soon, but I'll wait till Tyler comes here. We'll put the initials in there and I'll carve them with my thin Kutzall bit, the taper bit. But so what I'm gonna do now is, I know I said I'm gonna wait for Paul, so me and Paul, the tattoo artist, can do this owl's face, but you know what? I'm just in the moment, I'm feeling good, so I'm gonna carve in the owl face. What do you guys think? I like to read the comments, guys. Okay, so far I think everything's going pretty good. I did run into one bump in the log. You see this owl here, it's got bark in there, in the eye, and it comes through the top. So I might have to drill that out and make a plug for that, because, well, it bugs me. I'm going to use those eyes that I got for my wizards. I'm going to put some real eyes in here, like those plastic eyes. But I think it looks proportionate, kind of. Silly little owl. So I don't know, I'm getting pretty tired. I've worked pretty hard on this today, so I might call that a day for this. You guys, I know it doesn't look like a lot of work, but it is a lot of work. And I'm getting old, so I don't know. Get a big visual of this. Yeah, I think I'm calling it a day. Hope everybody's good, and always remember, guys, safety first. And I don't know what else to say. I'm tired. Talk to you later. One more video coming tomorrow. I should be able to wrap her up. Okay, guys, so that's a wrap for today. I got these little feathers carved in here too. I don't know if you can see. So tomorrow, I'm going to refine this beak, bring it thinner here, right? I'm going to put the dowels in. I got this abalone shell. You can order it on eBay. It's from Taiwan or Thailand or something. The abalone shell is going to go on the eyes. I got those fake yellow and black owl eyes. They're going to go in. I'm going to have to figure out what to do with this piece of rot here. Not rot, but it was bark. And yeah, so a lot more work to do. But I'm happy with the progress. Got a big visual. Got my fat shadow in it. Okay, talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for another video tomorrow. Silly little owl.